Today lecture I'm going to discuss about how to import CSV file in Pandas or how we can read CSV file using Pandas. So first here let's open this place command prompt. You can use any. So here let's write CLS first. Now writing Python. So currently using Python 3.23 version. So first thing is let's write import Pandas as PD. Press enter. After that, let's write here file path. So this is the object. At this place, you need to specify your file. So here, file is in raw data. Let's copy this, and they're going to use file one. This is CSV tab. So the next is insert single quote, paste the location, and let's write here file1.csv. Close. And the next is for path we need to give a double forward slash, and after that let's close this by semicolon. Let's use here df object and PD. So import pandas as PD. Now PD that call. So with the dot operator, this will call here read underscore CSV method, and inside there you need to write file path. So this here PD dot read CSV. So PD that call read CSV method, and here passing file path. So this file path here file1.csv. Now after that simply you need to write print method, and here whatever that read that is stored to df, and here you need to write df, and let's write here head method. Now you can see here this is now printing whatever the data inside file1 there with index 0, 1, 2, 3, this here, or department name, dname, and location. Okay, so this is the most simplest way we can read or import file using pandas. Only you need to write here 3 lines of codes. So first lines import pandas at PD. So importing pandas package, and here giving the alias name PD. After that give your file path. So you need to give the file path and here file name. After that df is the object that PD that call here read CSV file method. They're passing this file path. After that simply you need to use your print method. There you need to use your df and hit. Then you can get the output or read the files. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.